What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Manny coming at you guys with the installation of a AS3 silicone hoses. Let's get it started. We gotta take this bolt off right here, which is a 9 millimeter. Now you guys want to make sure you guys get that washer. Don't lose it. It's usually recommended to put a new one, but this one is in really good condition, so I wouldn't be too concerned about it. Now you guys might want to be able to get some of these. These hoses will be stuck on there very well. So. Down. Now at this time you can go ahead and finish up putting on your drain bolt, as long as you're not going to change to a different kind of coolant. Now I'm just going to put it on there snug, and I'm not changing coolant, so here's it right here. Very first one going on. Already got that one off. Let's get this bad boy off. See what I mean, guys? I messed with this little. See how it's not easy getting them off. Now I want to point out something to you guys. See this little lip right here? That's as far as you have to go when you're putting on the clamp. That way, see, that's where you want to put it. See where that lip is right there? You want to feel that when you're putting on your clamp. There are the first two right there so far. Yeah. Get the rest off. Alright, so the one in there is tightened up, and this one is already tightened up. I'm just gonna button up this thing right here after I put this one on. Just got to be able to put this one on right here, which I got to get to from up top here. And it seems to be like it's raining, so we're gonna have to put a pause on that right now. All right, guys, so one side is done. Now I got to work on the other side. Sorry that I haven't been recording as much, but yeah, these are a pain to change, especially since I'm not trying to take the air box off because it's raining. And yeah, so just got to do two more on the other side, and just got to do this one and this one, which I almost was getting ready to give up because it is hard to get to. So, all right, guys. And again, it's kind of hard to try to record, show you guys, but once I do this one, I'll try to do it so you guys can see it, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. All right, guys, here it is. Both sides are installed. Just gotta go ahead and torque this baby up. And you want to do that to 78-inch pound. So you want to get a small torque wrench, inch pound. See? It's all torqued up. Every single one of these, I've gone over it. They're all tight enough. And now we go to the other side.